Clip. Say hi to YouTube. Hi, YouTube. What's going on, YouTube? The last pieces of the 480 rebuild have came in. Which is these two right here. I'm gonna take this to the guy that's building it for me. I got a pack somewhere else. I don't know where it's at. But yeah. This is a shift A and shift B solenoids. See, can you see it? Shift B and shift solenoid for the 480. See right there, you can see it kind of 480. So I got this, and then I got the harness that goes in the pan. Since it'll be off already, just replace that bad boy too. So it's that, and then soon too. Anxious. 100 shot, I think. Here's the bottom for it. But yeah, it's all coming along now, boys. Where is that pack at for mine? I'll be back in a minute. Okay, well, we found it. Trans-pan harness, which is this right here. This, it comes out the side of the transmission. Yeah. Alright, slow down. Okay, well, here's the 480. It has been rebuilt, stock build. So I gotta order this sensor and this sensor. This is all new. This got new solenoids, got new everything else. So yeah, this is the 480. And there's my fully two-wheel drive conversion shaft. So yeah, I'm gonna go get my stall. I'll be right back. Okay, well here's the stall. Brand fucking new. It's a 4,000 stall. 4,000 RPM stall. Brand new. Good. All billet internals. It's gorgeous. Let me see. Hang on a minute. It says somewhere here in the back where multi-disc. A triple disc stall. Yeah. That bitch heavy as hell, my boy. But yeah. Brand fucking new. Yes, sir. Well, let's get it. Motherfucker heavier. We got motherfuckers colder here. Alright, then bye. Here's the trans. Ready to go. Here's OJP. Oh, bitch ass. Where's my stall? He got it all. And then the drop shafts. Just do it, dude.
All right, wait, she's done. Pressure test passed. Water pump, thermostat, it's not leaking. I did your in and out on on the ECM. So I just need the stuff for the trans. And that's it. I'm just worried about that. I hope that motherfucker fits. But it should. So. I can.
That damn Ford intake, boy. I'm gonna be putting in some work, hopefully, bitch ass little truck. You hear me? Adding all the fuel, more air like a motherfucker. Shit, fuck, I don't give a fuck. That what's up? I'm excited. Oh, I'm getting wet, daddy. That Circle D star going in, boy. 480 coming in hot. Fully two-wheel drive conversion. I'm excited, we. Speed sensors are in. Input and output.
It's a little off, but
How much?
I mean it goes straight up. I guess we'll just see how it looks when I mount it.
I'm excited, we.
All right, so here we are. This is the original all-wheel drive Denali and has officially been converted to two-wheel drive. Legit two-wheel drive, no transfer case. Got us a U-joint, new U-joints, sorry. Conversion U-joint, two-wheel drive, cross member. Had to modify the lever, but got it going. Repin the trans plug. Still waiting on the other VSS to show up. Should be here today. Plumb that in. Everything at the ECM's already done. Brand new stock converter. Rebuilt 480. I did AN fittings on this truck a while back, and if you're using the older pre-97 480, if you convert those to AN fittings, they reach. Of course, if you have post-97, you have to make one longer, but these are perfect. We've got a 480 dipstick out of a 2500. And that's pretty much it. We just lack the sensor, and homeboy with the tune needs to send a segment swap. Other than that, she's done.
So there's a tune for the 6.0, my cam and my injectors for the 480E on the right side. So
The spray foam?
yeah.
12 cans cover 240 square foot.
240 square foot.
And this bitch is 5.
So
So
get
even if I
double.
had to buy 12 cans is 250. So about 800 I could do it myself.
Yeah.
I've gotten quotes where they're like
They're expensive as fuck. It's cold, man. So, doing the 4 ladies walk. I keep this part right here. Keep this part and just zip tie it up somewhere. Because that thing, the truck will not crank. And the home bus light. The truck is on, but it's surging some. And it's fucking cold up. Oh my gosh. Put that thing on right there, my boy. Turn it on higher. Pure antifreeze. Swap is complete. Taking it back home already. This shift shifts so hard. It's crazy. Like, it's crazy. So now we got a different problem. For some odd reason, the coolant there starts to boil up. So try out a new coolant radiator and see what it does. I don't know, because the damn pump is new, thermostat's new, the cap is new. The only thing that could be is this. All right, well, it's out. And then I'm gonna change out this one. Well, change out that one for this one because this one's cleaner. And this right here, that red coolant, came out from a hose that was this one right here. That thing popped off, and it covered all my truck up. Look at that. What is life right now? But it's coming along though. But yeah, it's out. And then I'll get one tomorrow. That, or I'll get it, test it out, flush it, something. I don't know. But yeah, see you tomorrow. Then these are go on this bad boy. And the tires I got for those are my wife's truck. It's cold out here, kids. Look at that. Fuck. Oh, hello, motherfucker. I'm 28. Bro, what the hell is my fucking tire? Parents. Damn kids ain't shit these days. Damn kids ain't shit. But yeah, this is them. Hold up. Okay, well, the tire size is 28 tall, 10 wide on a 17-inch rim, which is these right here. They ain't too bad, boys. Let me see if I can get up better. There you go. There they are, kids. Yeah, I'm ready. Well, a couple $100 later, He got a new one. Shout out to our Ollies for having it in stock. Come on. Okay, well, here it is. About to put it in. What's up, dude? About to put it in. Okay, guys, it's dumping off for about 20 minutes. 15, 20 minutes, and there ain't no bubbling. There ain't no bubbling, boys. It's all good. I think anyway. Let's check the temperature. The temperature's good. Cold still. It is at 160 still because of that temperature gauge. That damn thermostat don't work. Thermostat don't work, kids. Yes, sir. The fuck happened in my block? Damn truck smoking, bitch. Damn truck smoking, bitch. What the fuck happened on my block? You hear me? Check out these tire marks. The fuck happened on my block? Fuck your Camaro. Fuck your sports car. Fuck your Mustang. On the dime, boy. Look at that. It's just a 20-year-old toaster. That's it.